A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, President Donald Trump has announced a 90-day pause on tariffs for over 75 countries, a move that comes as a response to significant unrest in financial markets. This unexpected decision, however, is coupled with a substantial increase in tariffs on imports from China, raising them to a staggering 125%. The announcement was made on Wednesday, following intense pressure from Republican allies and billionaire supporters, indicating a shift in Trump's previously firm stance on trade policies. Trump explained that he initiated the pause to alleviate fears among nations worried about the economic implications of his tariff plans. He stated, "People were getting a little bit yippee, a little bit afraid," highlighting the anxiety that has permeated the markets in recent days. Just hours before the announcement, White House officials had dismissed rumors of a tariff pause as fake news, showcasing the volatility and unpredictability of the current administration's trade strategy. The pause allows countries like the UK, which is currently engaged in negotiations for a trade deal with the US, some breathing room. UK officials expressed their intent to continue discussions, emphasizing their goal of eliminating tariffs altogether. The British government remains hopeful that a favorable agreement can be reached to mitigate the impact of Trump's tariffs, which also include a 25% charge on cars and additional duties on steel and aluminum imports. In the wake of Trump's announcement, U.S. stock markets experienced a significant recovery, reflecting investor relief at the temporary halt in tariff escalation. However, the situation remains precarious, particularly for China, which has become the focal point of Trump's trade war. The president's decision to impose a 125% tariff on Chinese imports marks a significant escalation in the ongoing conflict between the two economic giants. Trump's press secretary, Caroline Leavitt, attempted to frame the tariff increase as a necessary punitive measure against China for its retaliatory actions. She described China's economy as the most imbalanced in modern history, asserting that it is the primary source of the United States' trade problems. Meanwhile, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent characterized the tariff pause as a strategic move to create leverage in negotiations with other nations, while maintaining that the 10% tariff on global imports would remain in effect. The global market reacted positively to the news, with many seeing it as a potential thawing of relations between the U.S. and its trading partners. However, the uncertainty surrounding the future of U.S.-China relations looms large, as both countries have engaged in a tit-for-tat exchange of tariffs over the past week. Analysts warn that the ongoing trade war could lead to a broader economic slowdown, impacting markets worldwide. In the UK, Prime Minister Keir Starmer has been proactive in seeking new trade partnerships, recently speaking with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman to strengthen economic ties. Additionally, Chancellor Rachel Reeves has signed a deal worth around £400 million with India, aiming to secure a favorable agreement with New Delhi. As the UK navigates these complex trade negotiations, concerns persist regarding potential concessions that may be made to secure a deal with the US. Earlier this week, Starmer assured MPs that he would protect the National Health Service, NHS, and uphold a digital tax on large tech firms, indicating a cautious approach to negotiations. Trump's abrupt tariff reversal has been characterized by some as a calculated negotiation tactic rather than a reaction to market panic. During a recent fundraising event, he expressed confidence in his trade policies, suggesting they would bolster American manufacturing and contribute to Republican victories in the upcoming midterm elections. "I really think we're helped a lot by the tariff situation. It's great," he remarked, despite widespread criticism from economists who warn that such policies could exacerbate inflation and harm the U.S. economy. As the situation continues to evolve, the global community watches closely to see how these trade dynamics will unfold in the coming months. The 90-day pause may provide temporary relief for many nations, but the long-term implications of Trump's aggressive tariff strategy remain uncertain, particularly as tensions with China escalate further. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.